Greetings, my evolutionaries. Lycium berry, commonly known as goji berry or wolfberry, refers to the fruit of plants belonging to the Lycium genus. These berries are particularly associated with two closely related species, Lycium barbarum and Lycium chinense. They are native to regions of Asia, including China, Tibet, and Mongolia. Goji berries have been a part of traditional Chinese medicine for centuries and are often praised for their potential health benefits. They are rich in various nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. Some of the reported benefits and nutritional components include antioxidants. Goji berries are known for their high levels of antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and polysaccharides, which may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamins and minerals. Goji berries contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and selenium. Amino acids. They provide a good source of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins in the body. Fiber. Goji berries are a decent source of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Potential immune system support. Some studies suggest that goji berries may have immunomodulatory effects, potentially supporting the immune system. Eye health. The zeaxanthin content in goji berries is associated with potential benefits for eye health. Goji berries can be consumed in various forms, including fresh, dried, or as juice. They are often used in traditional Chinese cuisine, herbal teas, and as a popular addition to smoothies, cereals, and trail mixes. It's important to note that while goji berries are considered generally safe for most people, individual reactions may vary. If you have allergies or specific health concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new foods into your diet or taking them in supplement form. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel.